So, guys, I'm gonna recreate the Vinny's goal. So, I'm gonna cut inside, yeah?
They can't see you.
I'm gonna cut inside, yeah? You're gonna just see me cut inside, and then I'm gonna curl it. But I have infinite attempts.
Oh. Ah,
That was terrible.
his battery's low.
No, don't worry, don't worry.
That was a really bad attempt. So now he's gonna be doing another try until he gets it right. And after he finishes his attempt, I'm gonna be trying to recreate the Richarlison goal. He nearly hit his little brother. He's not very smart.
What?
Ow! Capos chicas negro. I don't know Spanish. Aku, so wait. I'm gonna show the fans what they want. You.
But that was a... No, that... You...
I know.
Yeah, that was...
We'll be partying up.
Okay, now I need to just...
See a move. I was right. So he nearly did it, but he failed miserably. Miserably.
See me about the way or else you cut.
See, go to the other side.
No, not there. Over there.
Take your pole thing and take you go to the other side. Okay.
Move out the way.
Silly boy.
I can't. The problem is, guys, it might look easier than you think. But the problem is, you have to like try curl it and then, yeah, dip it.
Let me show you how to do it. So
But
firstly,
my cousin's gonna show you how to do
hit
it.
it, then
Did he hit it first time?
nearly did.
He nearly did, guys. He nearly.
You have to kick the
See,
ball.
pass me the football. Give it to me.
After you have to kick the ball a bit, then you take a second, just a second, then hit it. Ah, my toe! Oh, oh, Jesus!
Nice, bounce, bounce.
So what it doesn't do, I actually made the ball very whimsily, so guys do not tell I don't even do anything like, it's just bad aim, it's just all bad aim. But like, how do you missed! Oh, my toe. I hit my toe with my own foot. Ow. Wait. He's cold. He's cold. That's your attempt, guys. Okay. Now we're moving on to the Richarlison. How did you make that?
Guys, did you see that?
Yeah, the office. You saw it with the fence right there. Bounced and then.
Oh, I got scared.
Yeah, for me, I thought it was going on. Okay, cool. So, what you have to do is now pass it. Oh, whoa!
What the fuck is wrong with you? Nothing.
Is this Stacy? Okay, you have to pass it to me.
Wait, and I'll go get my bottle. Let's go, Mr. Rebecca.
Ah!
This bottle flipped and I don't need to pass to you.
What? That's impossible. But that's impossible for me to create
If I
it.
make this bottle flip, then you're gonna make it.
That's impossible to make the Richarlison.
I'll do it.
Okay. Pass. Let's flick up. Then
What's this over here?
it's like watermelon. That's what. Okay. So flick. Wait, I did it right now. So see. Okay. Ah!
I'm passing it right. You're just not flicking it.
Okay. I'll show you. Hey! You're supposed to pass to me, not I'm not supposed. No, I'll recreate the bicycle kick right now.
Okay.
Not like the bicycle kick, like the normal one. You don't throw it, just.
I will go to somewhere where they're not thought. Here, pass.
Yeah.
Here, dear.
Okay, so he went behind the camera, so.
You're just only gonna see him to the bicycle.
Where?
I'll do it here. He is good. He is good.
Yeah, actually, yeah. What I can do. No, you're not supposed to flick it up. Okay, I'm gonna try.
Oh!
Richarlison flicked it up. Then I think no, I can't do that.
No, this is what Richarlison did. Flicked it up, chest it, turned around, and then pow!
Oh, okay. Okay,
No, but the chest thing's gonna be hard.
I know.
Because
But
you have to go like, oh, and then it's.
I see. I know. I'll show you. Hopefully. But watch me do the normal bicycle kick right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like you can do it.
Huh?
Like you can do that.
I'll try. I'll try to work bicycle kick, but here. Because I don't want it to go to the neighbors. I kicked in my head. Tell me, I've never done a bicycle kick in my life.
Okay. I will be back. We'll be back. Ah.